welcome back. All right, so I just want to show you guys something that's really cool. So I have a nail gun for Bradnailers. I'm so excited about using this, y'all. Oh my god, I cannot wait. So I'm going to be using this when I put my risers in. I am doing liquid nails to keep them in place, but I'm going to put like 4 small little ones in the corner just to make sure they stay in the liquid nail stakes or whatever. So this I'm going to be using. This is a Ryobi Bradnailer. It is a airstrike technology. It's 18 gauge. Here is the box. And this one was 99 bucks from Home Depot. Y'all know Home Depot was my favorite shopping experience. I have Ryobi everything. Like I told you all before, this is tool-free jam release. It has smaller nose, provides a tight spot. It's convenient, adjustable dial. It's a tool-free dip and drive adjustment. So it has like this really cool little dial right here that determines the air pressure. So you can do max air pressure, which like really shoots the nail out. Or if you have like wood or something and you don't want to like break the wood or anything like that, you could turn the pressure down. So it's not so much and it goes in softer. So that's that. They have this feature right here. This is how you pull it out. So then you put the nails in here. So here's the nails. And you do them with the head facing you. And then the pointed parts facing the other person. Or the other way. Then you slam it back in place. You have to literally slam this back in place, y'all. This is a release. So if you ever get a nail that gets jammed or whatever, you will pull this up right here. And then this will release. This part right here is the part that you press against the wood or whatever you're using. And you have to click this little trigger. Oh, and for safety, y'all see I don't have the battery in it because I'm not trying to shoot nothing or myself while I talk about this. Also, if you don't have this pressed up against whatever you're using and you whatever, it doesn't work. So you have to make sure you're pressing up against it hard in order for it to take. But yes, I'm super excited. It actually has some little weight to it. This is a little heavier than I anticipated being, but I am super excited about this. Like I told y'all before, I do Ryobi products because I already bought a Ryobi drill, right? And I have a battery pack. And so it just made more sense for me to continue to just buy Ryobi things so I can use the same battery pack because the battery packs are expensive. When I got my circular saw, it actually came with two batteries. I think a 4 AH and a 2 AH. So it came with 2 of these lithium batteries. So now I have a total of 3 batteries because my drill came with a battery as well. And also, Ryobi tends to be a little bit cheaper than like DeWalt and some of the other name brands, and it's just as good as the other ones, but it's a little bit easier on the pocketbook. So just say. Well, anyway, I'm about to get started with my stairs, so I'll see you guys in a minute. Mwah!